family business. Joint means a combined. Joint means a combined. Hindu means a particular religion है और Hindu means a person live. A person live from the Hindu Kush mountain. जो अफगाणिस्तान मध्ये आहे काय हिंदू कुश माउंटन टू अप टू कंबोडिया. कंबोडियापर्यंत जे काय लोक राहतात त्या सगळ्यांना हिंदू म्हणतात. मे बी इट मे बी एनी रिलीजन. मग कुठला का रिलीजन बेसिकली इज हिंदू फॅमिली. नॉट रिलीजन बेस्ड हिंदू वर्ड इथं बेसिकली वर्ड ऑन द प्लेस आहे. The Hindu word family, a business. Joint means combine. A joint means a combine. A Hindu means a people living to Indus Valley rivers. A family means a family, and business means commercial organization. If any business organization run by a family member or jointly or known as joint Hindu family business. Meaning सगळ्यांना क्लिअर होतंय का? A joint Hindu family business, any commercial enterprise, either industrial असेल, either commercial enterprise run by a family member jointly or known as Hindu family business. But I was showing one image regarding Hindu family business. इमेज मध्ये बघा हाऊ मेनी मेंबर्स आहेत बघा तुम्हीच इन द फॅमिली. हाऊ मेंबर काउंट करा मेंबर्स. फ्रंट कौचरी काउंट द मेंबर्स इन फॅमिली बिझनेस. इमेज मध्ये मेंबर किती काउंट कर. काउंट द मेंबर्स. फरहान कौचली काउंट द मेंबर्स. 14 members are there. But joint Hindu family business, a definition, a business organization. A business organization owned by the co-owners. It's a business organization, industrial trade organization, a business owned by the co-owners or co-partners. Any person, any member related to family business are known as co-partners. Often instead of belonging to Hindu family. Estate belonging to Hindu family which jointly owned, and has not yet been partitioned. The all family property owned by all members or not be partitioned, not divided, is called joint Hindu family business. Meaning clear होते क्या बघा? It is a business organization owned by the co-owners. Often is state belonging to Hindu family which is jointly owned and has not yet been partitioned is called joint Hindu family business. Which family property not divided run by the all peoples of family known as family business. When a joint Hindu family undivided a conducted business as an inherited property, which property come from a previous generation. When a joint Hindu family conducted a business as an inherited property by Hindu law It is known as it is known as a joint Hindu family business. It is known as joint Hindu family business आहे तो. म्हणजे which property come from large generation in property. When any family run the business as a family property or known as a joint Hindu family business. डेफिनेशन सगळ्यांना क्लिअर होते का बघा. Any family property, any family business run by all member of the family as a property known as family business. In the India, how two branches, two a law of thoughts, a school of thoughts of regarding the Hindu law. One is the Mitishkara and second Dayabhaga. बा मेथिशकरामध्ये काय सांगितलंय ऍज म्हणजे टू रूल्स आहेत. But in India, have the two families. One is a maternal family and one is paternal family. Clear होते का बघा. One is a maternal family and second is a paternal family. आता paternal means we carry the surname of father. In Maharashtra, everybody, any religion, belong to any religion, they carry the surname of the father. It's a paternal family. But maternal family, in the maternal family, child carry the surname of mother. म्हणजे आईचं नाव लावतात ते. They carry a name of mother किंवा mother surname. Is a maternal families आहेत, paternal and maternal families आहेत. Same Mitishkara and बघा. As per the Mitishkara, a child get equal property right. As per Mitishkara Act, a child get equal property right after birth in family. कळतंय का सगळ्यांना. मितिशकरा स्कूल काय म्हणतो का स्कूल ऑफ थॉट्स की आफ्टर बर्थ ऑफ एव्हरी चाइल्ड गेट इक्वल प्रॉपर्टी राइट्स अँड दॅट बघा children does not get property with birth. They get property right after death of father. After death of fathers. And even property transfer or to also female members. Meaning सगळ्यांना क्लिअर होते का. मितेश क्लास समजते का सगळ्यांना. कारण ऍज पर मितेश क्लास सांगितलं काय every child get equal property right after birth. He can demand property dividation anytime or during the lifetime of fathers. But in the Dayabhaga, does not get property right with birth. A property right get after a death of father. After काय death of a father. Dayabhaga सांगितलं. Clear? You can also widow a female member get the rights in Dayabhaga. Because maximally Dayabhaga family are maternal base and Dayabhaga law school thought only followed West Bengal and Assam. West Bengal, Assam and some parts of Orissa. And even also follow some places in Kerala. Dayabhaga Act followed. But over the rest of India follow Mitishkara Acts. सगळ्यांना समजलं का दयाभागा मितिशकरा. अन्वेषण होते का दयाभागा मितिशकरामध्ये. कारण वी आर फॉलो मितिष्कर ऍक्ट्स. कारण आपल्याला प्रॉपर्टी राईट्स आफ्टर बर्थ भेटलेत. यू कॅन डिवाइड, यू कॅन राईट्स डिमांड टू पार्टीशन ऑफ फॅमिली. तुम्ही कधी पार्टिशन मागू शकता फॅमिलीमध्ये तुमच्या मितिष्कर ऍक्ट प्रमाणे. आणि मितिष्कर ऍक्ट्स previously only get male member property rights, but in Maharashtra female member also get property rights. In Maharashtra a female member also get property rights, आहेत त्यांना rights. But features, first feature exist only in India. Presently India, in India only found family business. Presently in India only found the family business. Example, Haldiram, it's a family business. Presently in India found the family business. Indian government frames separate act for the family business. Hindu Succession Act 1956. And as per this act, these organizations are regulated. Basically, join a Hindu family business. It's a sole trading concern. Expansion of sole trading concern become a joint Hindu family business. Just one example, Mr. A start business age of 20 or 22 or 25. After graduation, Mr. A start a sole trading concern. After 3 or 5 years, he get married, and their wife also contribute in the family business, in the business. The business is as a sole trading concern आहे. Business A have a sole trading concern, and the family wife also contribute the works. After some year, their childrens also join the business. Their children also join the business. After some years, their grandchildrens, their grandchildren join the business. आता बिझनेस ओन एक बाय आहे का नाहीये, बिझनेस ओन बाय मेनी पीपल, and every belong to one family. It's a joint a family business. The guy joint a family a business. When any organization run by family members and senior most person is a karta family, have decision making rights regarding business known as a karta. First feature exists in India only. Presently in India have a separate act regarding to regulate Hindu family business, Hindu Succession Act 1956. A formation, जो Hindu family business, it's easily simple formation है, not particular establishment. Sole trader start the business and family member join the organization. So registration of family business not possible. A registration of family business possible है का नहीं है. Basically the sole trading concern, but business regulated by the Hindu Succession Act 1956. A senior most person known as karta and other member known as co-partners. By memberships in the family business, or no limit on memberships, or no or limit in the memberships. A membership get by birth, by adoption, और मॅरेज. मिनिंग क्लिअर होतं का बघा. The membership in joint family business or no maximum limit नाहीये. मिनिमम 2 पर्सन फॅमिली बिझनेस. आणि इंडियामध्ये मॅक्झिमम जे बिझनेस आहेत कम फ्रॉम फॅमिली बिझनेस. एक्झाम्पल बिर्ला. बिर्ला ग्रुप इट्स फॅमिली बिझनेस. बजाज ग्रुप ऑल्सो फॅमिली बिझनेस. Adani is a family business. Or Godrej, it's a family business. Godrej is surname, it's a family business hai tu. A TVS Motor, also family business. Muthoot Finance, it's a family business. In the gold markets, maximum families are there. Only family business are there. A PNG, family business hai. वामन हरिपेटे फॅमिली बिझनेस आहे. इट्स अ फॅमिली बिझनेस आहे. मेंबरशिप्स ओनली अवेलेबल टू फॅमिली पीपल्स. केसरी टूर्स इट्स ऑल्सो फॅमिली बिझनेस. Then a joint ownerships in the family business owned by the all co-partners. The family business run by the all members. Every family member have equal owner of property. Every family member have equal right in the property. Then the senior most person karta and other is co-partner. After expire of karta, the next senior most person become a karta family and family run the business. Then a good credit standing. The family business is only a depend upon the family values. A family are known in the market for family values. Tata, but Tata being businessman, they're selling small pin to aeroplane, but they never sell, can never manufacture any alcoholic products. तर टाटा रम नावाचं कुठलं प्रोडक्ट ना मार्केटला नाहीये. पॉइंट सगळं क्लिअर होते का बघा. टाटा वाईन टाटा रम असं कुठलंही प्रोडक्ट नाहीये. टेल्को आहे, कार मध्ये आहे, नॅनो मध्ये आहे, पण कुठल्याही प्रोडक्टच्या पुढं अल्कोहोलिक प्रोडक्टच्या पुढं टाटाचं नाव नाही. इवन दे नॉट ऑल्सो एंट्री टोबॅको मार्केट्स. टोबॅको मार्केटमध्ये एंटर केलेले नाहीयेत अजून पण. इट्स अ व्हॅल्यूज आहेत, फॅमिली व्हॅल्यूज आहेत. दे कॅन नॉट सेल अल्कोहोलिक मॅन्युफॅक्चरिंग अँड टोबॅको प्रोडक्ट्स. So Tata is a trust. So family values create a goodwill in the markets. Family values create a goodwill in the markets. So family business have good credit standing in the markets. आता आपल्या क्लासमध्ये ओम दांडेकर म्हणून आहे. त्यांचा जो फॅमिली बिझनेस आहे इट्स अ ज्वेलरी शॉप आहे. आणि त्यांच्या ज्वेलरी शॉपला खेडमध्ये नंबर 1 गुडविल आहे. तुम्ही बघा दांडेकर ज्वेलर्स नंबर 1 गुडविल मार्केटमध्ये त्यांना आहे खेडमध्ये. सो गुडविल इन द मार्केट क्रेडिट आणि मीन्स गुडविल आहे, इमेज आहे. बिकॉज फॅमिली व्हॅल्यूज आर मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टन्स आहेत. आपल्या खेडला काही शॉप्स आहेत बघा. Gandhi Emporium, it's a family business. HP Butala, it's a family business also. Many names said they only are for very famous their families. Kalyani Stores, it's a family business. Vishwas Corner, also family business. Vishwas Store, it's also family business आहेत. त्यांची मुलं आपल्या क्लासमध्ये आहेत, पण ते मॅथ सब्जेक्टला आहेत, ओसीला नाही आहेत ते. इट्स अ फॅमिली बिझनेस. They have good reputation in the markets. Then management, the family business managed by the senior most persons karta how decision making rights, karta how decision making rights, or co-partners, they participate in business but they cannot take a decision regarding business. Then a profit sharing in the family property. In the family property, no specific ratio of division of profits, normally equally profit divide into all members. Normally equally profit divide into all family members. The ratio may be increased by birth and decrease by death. फीचर्स सगळ्यांना अंडरस्टँड झालेत का? Exists only in India, formation, membership, a joint ownership, a good credit standing, management, a profit sharing. सगळ्यांना अंडरस्टँड झालेत का? But next point, merits and demerits. The merits means benefits. Merits means benefits. Profitable points आहेत, and demerits means loss points आहेत. By merits, first easy formation. A family business established by the sole trader, sole trader, and other family member join the organization. It's a easy formation, not require permission of any government authorities, not to register. So easy formation of family business. Then a protection of a co-partner interest in the family property. A karta have a right to management of business, but karta never deny rights of co-partners. Karta almost take care of co-partner because profit divide into all member equally. In the family member, the profit divide equally. Karta just a caretaker of family property. A joint family business चा करता काय only caretaker आहे. So rights will be available in the co-partners. A co-partner can demand partition of business anytime. तुम्ही पण तुमची फॅमिली प्रॉपर्टी या टायमिंगला सुद्धा पार्टिशन मागू शकता. इट्स अ राईट बाय द लॉ. कारण वी आर फॉलो द मितिस्कर ऍक्ट, नॉट दयाबाग ऍक्ट. ओके. Then quick and prompt decision. Quick and prompt decision. In the family business, the karta have experienced person and senior most person. So they can take a decision according to market situation. Because karta cannot discuss with the co-partners regarding decision. a quick and prompt decision making आहे. Then on the job training, in the family property, a very few employees. In the family property, a very few employees, because family member as a worker in the family business. A family members join the business and they get training regarding business skill automatically. पॉइंट कळतंय का बघा. जे बिझनेसमॅनच्या फॅमिलीज आहेत ज्यांच्या ज्या मुलांच्या पॅरेंटचे शॉप्स मध्ये आहेत त्या शॉप मध्ये त्यांची मुलं येऊन बसतात बघा and they get skill how to make business. They get training how to deal with customers. हे ऑन जॉब ट्रेनिंग आहे. बघा ओम दांडेकर नेहमी दुकानामध्ये असतो अधून मधून, पण पाटणे पण दुकानामध्ये असतो अधून मधून. बरेच जण मुलं दुकानामध्ये असतात. ज्यांची दुकान असतात ना ते बरीच मुलं त्यांच्या काउंटरला जाऊन बसतात. दे लर्न हाऊ टू डू बिझनेस, हाऊ टू डील विथ सप्लायर्स, हाऊ टू डील विथ कस्टमर्स. they get training regarding business skills. It's the on job training. It's a काय on job training. Then a co-personal liability. In the family business, Karta's liability is unlimited, but co-personal liability is limited. If any business, any family property business bear the loss does not share by co-partners. Loss only bear by the Karta. So co-partners get benefits regarding limited liability. Because co-partner does not have a right regarding decision making. So co-partner liability is limited liability, profitable then demerits unlimited liability of Karta. Demerits unlimited liability of Karta. A Karta is the decision maker in the family business. While taking decision, Karta cannot discuss with the other co-partners. So Karta's decision liability is unlimited. It means if family property not sufficient for payment of loan, family property not sufficient for the payment of loan, that time Karta bring a personal property in the business for satisfy the loan. It's an unlimited liability of Karta. For the losses, Karta is responsible. Karta is a risk bearer in the organization. Karta is a risk bearer in the organization. Point सगळ्यांना क्लिअर होत आहे का बघा. Then limited financial and managerial resources. Limited financial and managerial resources. In the family business, a co-partners a joint organization by birth. They cannot bring any capital for joining the business. They just join the business without capital. Family member join the business without any capital. So limited finance in the family business, property only which come from large generation. Property only from the which come from the a large generation, limited financial resource. Only family property is a source of finance. Management occur in the family business. Family members can manage business, so they cannot appoint any expert person to manage the organization. लक्ष करू द्या. तुम्ही किंवा आम्ही डायरेक्टली बिझनेस स्टार्ट करू शकत नाही आपण गोल्ड ज्वेलरीचा. त्याला पर्टिक्युलर कास्ट समजला पाहिजे आणि पर्टिक्युलर फॅमिलीवाला पाहिजे. The limited managerial resources आहे, limited financial and managerial resources आहे, because family business cannot appoint any outsider for manage the organization. Limited financial and managerial resources. Third, no separate legal status. A family business basically it's a sole trading concern, so never register with the government authorities. So no registration or no separate legal status. A Succession Acts, Hindu Succession Act 1956 only regulate family property. He cannot provide any legal status. This act cannot provide any legal status or to family business. By the law, family and family business are same. Even कालच्या लेक्चरला बघितलंय, लास्ट लेक्चर मध्ये मेंबरशिप कंपनीमध्ये a Hindu undivided family cannot become member of company, but they can purchase shares on the name of करता. आठवते का बघा जरा, एसपी ला आपण घेतलेलं आहे ते एलिजिबिलिटी ऑफ मेंबरशिप मध्ये झालंय आपलं बिफोर 2 days मध्ये. So no separate legal status. By the law, family not separate from the property business. By partition of business. Presently, many Hindu families are partition. So if family divide, it's also a business divide. When family are divide, also business can divide. It's a family business. Can family break, a business break. Family break, a business break होतं लगेच. So partition must be required होतं त्यामध्ये. Or no direct relation between risk and reward. In the family business, karta is a decision maker, karta is a manager of the organization, but profit not separate. The all family member equally proper right आहे. प्रॉपर्टी मध्ये काय आहे, इक्वल राइट्स प्रॉफिट मध्ये. No direct relation between the risk and rewards. Karta bear risk of the organization. Karta's liability is unlimited, but profit equally with all family members. Karta not get separate profit for management of organization. So not direct relation, no direct relation between the risk and rewards. पॉइंट सगळ्यांना क्लिअर होत आहे का? म्हणजे करता गेट मोर एफर्ट्स बट नॉट गेट मोर प्रॉफिट ॲज पर द लॉ. दे गेट इक्वल प्रॉफिट विथ को पार्टनर्स. ज्यादा को पार्टनर जेवढा प्रॉफिट नाही तेवढाच प्रॉफिट करताला भेटणार आहे. सो नो सेपरेट प्रॉफिट गेट बाय करता. सगळ्यांना क्लिअर झालंय का? एव्हरीबडी अंडरस्टँड मेरिट्स डेमेरिट्स. सो स्टॉप करूया लेक्चर आपण. So everybody left the class.